everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today is day 3. We are going to do 3 minutes plank, 30 push-up, okay, unbroken. So let's do it quick one. I just finished a challenge, so I just have to continue this one. Okay, 3 minutes plank. It's going to be tough. My shoulders are already burning. Let's see. Let me set it here. I can see it's nice. Okay, 3 minutes. It's going to be hard. Really, really hard. Okay. You can join us and do this for your own self, okay? Don't do it for anyone. It's really tough and hard. Do it to challenge yourself. So yesterday was 2 minutes. Today is 3 minutes. Tomorrow 4 minutes. Then our last day 5, going to be 5 minutes plank. 5 minutes plank, 50 push-up. That will be another tough one. But if you start doing it quick, you will get it. You will start to endure it. Sometimes you feel like give up, but that's also it's part of the process. Sometimes you shake, it's part of the process. Sometimes the pains get too hard, it's part of the process. This, they call it master your own self. 2 minutes. Feel pain in my back. This is full of challenge. Don't give up now. Almost there, almost there. 3 minutes. 30 push-up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that is it. Day 3, 3 minutes plank, 30 push-up, unbroken. Yes. So follow up if you want to join us. Self-challenge. Do it for yourself. I'm out.